Welcome in. Happy London session. Good to be here with the London boys and girls. Yes, sir. Hey, it's good morning for a lot of you guys today. Not good afternoon, but good morning. Welcome in, everyone. Welcome. You guys are going to be with Johnny today, but you know what? You're stuck with me. You're stuck. Hey, Rafi's in the building. What up, Rafi? Who we got here today? What up, Trevor? Who else we got? Legrand's in the house. What up, Legrand? TTW. That's a good one. I like that. TTW. What up, Dominic? What up, all my London boys and girls? How we feeling tonight? Tonight? Y'all doing good? All right, welcome in. Welcome. We are going to get started. Let me just send. Yeah, we're good. All right, perfect. Hey, W's in the chat if you're excited to be here. It's Tuesday. We're here a little bit early today, though. We're gonna see if we can catch some moves in the London session. We got a big bearish day. We've got a nice 4-hour pullback, and we're seeing if we can catch a nice move here. Yeah. Oh, there they go. W's in the chat. Let's go. Meet me in the London. Yeah.
Meet me at the London. If you find time, we can run one.
Oh, we got time today.
We can undo. You just in the pen, I can find you. 6-1 on the money, 9-2. You just said
we got time today for the London session. Let's get started here, gang. Let's get it going. What's up, traders next door? What up, trader next door? Are you really next door? Bink, bink. Yes, sir. All right, let's get the party started here. So it is, what time is it? 57. Let's see what we got. What's the hour looking like? What's the 30 looking like here? Yeah, let's get the party started, man. So really quick, let's do a breakdown and let's get it. Are we praying? Yes. Father in heaven, man, we come to you in the name of Jesus, Lord. We thank you for an awesome London session here. We pray that your blessing be upon it. I pray that whatever I say here today, Lord, it would be your words that would impact lives across the world. Wow, across the world here today, Lord. That's how big you are. That's how great you are. We're so thankful to be in your presence here tonight, Lord. We ask your blessing over this session, and we give you all the glory for it. In Jesus' name, amen. Awesome. Let's go. Let's go. Let me lower the music here. And let's do a really quick top-down analysis on gold here. So looking at the daily time frame, gang, we did close below here on the daily. Let me just whip the tools out. We did close below this range here on the daily time frame, right? So we did get a support. We closed below. We've got clean traffic. Everything is pretty straightforward here today, right? We're looking for sells here. We're looking to come down into these zones, potentially even back down to 1990 here. And we're going to see if we can capitalize that on that move here today. So 4-hour is looking pretty good. We have established a resistance. One thing that we can see here is that the 4-hour has closed below this range here, right? We're remaining below. Now this candle is going to close here in 3 hours, but right now it looks like we are attempting to make a top wick for price to continue driving down later, right? Continue to do something like this on the 4-hour candle here. So that's the move we're looking to see if we can take advantage of here in the London session. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour. So 1 hour did 1 hour still open. Looks like we're going to close bullish, but looks like we're going to remain below this area here. So major area here that we should be able to remain below. And let's see what the 30-minute looks like. 30 minutes consolidating a bit. So we've basically trapped price in this zone here. And we're going to wait now, right? So we have London open coming up in 1 hour, I believe, right? 1 hour? Yeah. 3 a.m., I believe. Oh, am I recording? Yes, now I am. I was recording the whole time, I promise. But yeah, this is your range, right? You're caught up in this on the 15-minute time frame now. So this is what we're going to look at here today, gang. So basically, buys are pretty clean above 2034, and sells are pretty clean below 2031. Mainly going to be looking at the 30-minute time frame here and waiting for closures on the 30. We may possibly go down to the 15 if we don't break out of this range here. you know, before London open. So we'll sit tight right here. It was actually looking pretty decent. I was thinking about taking sells on this closure right here, but we moved down pretty aggressively in the first 3 minutes of that candle, and I wouldn't have closed any partials. I probably would have just got stopped at break even there. So whatever, saved on commissions there. I wanted to wait for the 30 close, because had this candle right here closed bearish, right, then we could have attempted our sells now. But I think I'd rather wait for London open here and sit tight for the volume, right? We should be consolidating until the volume comes in. And once we start to get closures outside of these ranges, that's going to be our opportunity to strike here. So we're going to sit tight. Yeah, we're just going to sit tight on this consolidation here and see what we got going on over the next 60 minutes. Hey, what up, Joseph? Yeah, I think that's good. Now that we didn't get the closure, let's talk about this a little bit more in depth. Yeah. Amen. Amens in the chat. Amens and steaks. I like that. That's a good combo right there. Yeah, that's a good combo. Let me get John up here. What up, John? John's in the house. Let me lower the music. We may also, depending on how big stops are, look to potentially attempt this straight up 4-hour move here. So, one sec. All right, what up, Johnny boy? Oh, what's goody?
Yo, what's good, Nick?
What's goody? They thought they were gonna get you today, and now they're stuck with me.
Hey, yeah, let's do it. Good morning, chat. Let's get it. Let's have a good London sesh.
Yeah. So, depending on how stops are right here, right? Let's take a look at this. So, you got about 31 pip stops on this candle. So, I think we wait for a 15-minute break out of the zone, and then we could potentially look to take sells. Let's go ahead and mark off that 4-hour low here as well, which is right there. Yeah. So, if we get a nice close below, we will break the lows there. We'll have a closure below, and will be good to drive down, because we got clean traffic here on the 1 hour, clean traffic on the 4 hour to retest that support. So yeah, we'll see if we can get this move here on gold. Yeah, we'll see if we can get it. Yeah, we need to wait. I think we need one more strike up on this 15-minute time frame, one more push up here, and then we should be golden. Maybe we break the 4-hour high one more time. So, like, looking at the daily, right? So, we obviously we had this drastic move yesterday on the daily where we pushed all the way up, broke all-time highs. But this was the news that had to get priced in from the week or the prior week, right? So, once market opened, we shot up, but then we just straight shot back down now, right? So, now, yesterday we were looking for positions, yesterday in the New York session, we were looking for these positions. But we were unable to get anything, right, due to candle closures and zones and all that good stuff. But being that the daily closed now, let me move these over here 1 sec. Yeah, there we go. Being now that the daily has closed right below this support level here, that is a great sign, because now what have we done? We've closed back into a new range, right? So if this was your range here, we've closed back into a new range, right? So we've clearly now left, let's say we've left the orange range, right? And now we're beginning to potentially trade in the, let's see here, purple range, right? Now we're beginning to trade in the purple range, but this could easily be a fake out, right? So the lower time frames will spill the beans here for us, will give us the clues that we need, and that is based off of those closures we're looking for right now. But if we're going to anticipate this purple range being filled coming down to 1990, we do have a closure back in it. We have a beautiful top wick that touched back into the orange range. So if you start breaking, especially these lows here at 2020, then you should see a move down, right? It's pretty straightforward here today. If this was like a 30-minute time frame here, we would be looking for sells, right, to come on down to retest that support. So no different here today. That's what we're going to look for on the daily. And just as if it was a 30-minute time frame, right now we're coming up to make a top wick, right? And then by New York session later on, we should be good to have filled this range if price truly wants to go down today. So if not, price may re-break the daily highs and move up, right? That's just the plan for the move down here, because we could easily close back in the range here, right? Do something like this here today as well. So again, those lower time frames are going to give us those clues. They're going to help us out as we navigate and conduct business here from 2035 down to 1990 here. So we'll keep these lower time frames in mind here. But one thing we can say is that we did reject, right? We did move down, and we did close below all this consolidation here to the left. This was the main area in which we kind of had to blast through right here, right? And we did, right? We moved down. This candle did the work. This candle literally just no top wick and just blasted down through all this traffic here. So now that we made this aggressive move here, we're beginning to come back up on the 4 hour to retest this zone here, right? Retesting this zone. And if we got a resistance, which we did, then this candle right here should make a top wick, respect the high, and come down and re-break the low. This is the move, right? This is the move we talked about highly in the boot camp. This is the move we talk about highly every day, is a bearish trend, a nice pullback for the continued move down, right? So that's what we're looking at based off of the 4 hour, right? And the fact that the 4 hour moved up and remained below this area here is a good sign that we should continue down and fill this range down here, right? So, or at least get down to the support level, and then if you get closures below, then you should continue on with the daily move here. So that's what the 4 hour is doing, right? Very, very healthy. So if that's going to be the resistance, then we should continue down here. Now, if it's not the resistance and price decides to create a support right here, then you may see a switch in direction, right? That's when you may start to see price begin to move up like this, right? Create support, and then price moves up. So these are the things that we need to be aware of. These are the things that we have to make sure we're accounting for as we are, looking into the markets here today. 1 hour time frame looks pretty good. Looks like it is created resistance as well. There's a support here. It looks like we've tapped into that support, just like the 4 hour has come down, created this resistance, these wicks right here, tapping into the zone, right? Came up, taps into the zone here. The 1 hour is doing the same exact thing currently, right? The 1 hour had moved down, right? Moved down here and created support, right? And now is moving up, tapping back into this support level right here. And if we look left, all of this to the left hand side, and we're rejecting it. So as of right now, we're beginning to reject. 30-minute also is rejecting as well, and it's giving us this sideways action now, right? So now we've got a range. So this is the range that's in front of us. It's pretty clean. Buys would be back above this whole support level right here. Sells are going to be most likely below here, unless we get a nice strong bearish closure based off of this 1 hour candle here, right, to continue down for London Open. So that is those are my thoughts here today. That's what I'm looking at here on gold. That's what I'm anticipating. We've got pretty clean traffic to move up here today and also to move back down. So everything looks good on gold here till about 2026 as we move forward into the London session here. And then I could see a nice clean range up until like 38 here as well. So that's going to be it. That'll be the move. That'll be the vibes here today. So buys above. Yeah, if we don't get our buys above here, it's no worries either, because there's more clean traffic moving up here today. Cool. Cool. What do you say, Johnny boy?
Yes, sir. Sounds good. Time to wait. Think it's done.
TTW.
TTW. All the thinking is done. No more thinking.
Did you have range 2 buys above here, or are you taking clean buys above?
I just had buys above 38.
38 up here.
Clean buys. Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, I'm gonna look at 33 here, depending on what we look like for London Open. But like I said, worst case, we wait for 38 there and take our buys above. I believe that's it's about a 40 pip range.
Yeah.
All right, yeah, that's it. That's the day. That's the day. Looks good for a New York session here later on too.
Yeah,
Yep.
facts.
Yeah, so
We on gold's time and
we on gold's time.
gold to come down. Are we
Facts.
ready?
We're on gold's time now.
Ready though for it.
Yes, sir. Where's TK? Did TK make? Hey, Z Gamer's in the house. What up, Z Gamer? We got some.
Yeah, dude.
We got a mod here. Let's go.
Gamer. Morning, Z Gamer.
Z
Yeah, I
Gamer.
thought I saw TK set his
Official.
alarm.
You set that alarm. Hey, it's early for TK. TK's 3 hours behind me, so it's actually. Oh no, it's actually still nighttime. So 2, 1, 12. Oh, it's like 11 p.m. for him. I'm gonna text him and be like, "Where you at? You're
Look, not even that bad.
pulling an all-nighter now, TK."
What's good, Dominic? Yeah, quick nap. Right back at it.
Yeah. What's up, Amanda? Good morning. It's morning for a lot of you guys, right? Yeah. Morning time. It's morning for us too, just early morning. But still morning. Yo, what up, Travis? Good morning, brother.
Travis.
Top of the morning to your laddie.
Oh man.
Top of the morning to your laddie.
Hey, a lot of push-ups to be done today.
Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, because yeah, I figured my wife has a doctor's appointment anyway for a checkup with the baby, so I'm gonna be chilling home for most of the afternoon anyway. So I'm like, you know what? I'm not sleeping. I'm not sleeping. So we'll just lounge later, you know, just chill for a bit.
Yeah, you can always catch back up on the sleep, you know. Some
Yeah.
days you just don't want to sleep.
Yeah, that's true.
You want to be up and moving.
Yeah, I told Anna I was gonna stream London. She was like, "How come?" I was like, "Cause I'm a boss and I do whatever I want."
The simple answer. Like, what you mean, you know?
Ain't got no boss.
Literally.
Ain't got a boss.
No boss to report to. You're your boss.
She's like, "Yeah, good point." Where's Sam Capital? I don't think Sammy boy is coming for London. Yeah, I was talking to him earlier.
And the man.
He was busy all day yesterday, so he said he'll be here for New York. Said no promises on London. Oh, look at this. It's gonna break the 4-hour highs here. Pre-London. This is good. Remember what I said about the 15 coming back in this area, wicking back up here? So let's see. We still got time. This 15 is gonna close in 24 seconds. So kind of happy we did that there. I told her I'm starving. I told her, babe, I'm starving.
Nah, yeah, 4 hour and daily, man, are looking so clean coming down.
Yeah,
I think we get that resistance. That'll be money.
definitely. Definitely. Where's brother Joe? He coming to London? Or is he London dreaming? That brother dreaming.
London, he's dreaming.
He's dreaming about pips.
dreaming about coming to the NY session and catching a beautiful trade.
Yeah, you want to know what Anna really said when I told her I was trading London tonight? Chat, you want to know what she really said?
Yeah, that brother's starving.
Yes, sir, brother.
She said, yeah, that brother's starving.
Brother starving for some pips.
GJ just bled, huh? Yeah, later. Later.
GJ knocking at support right now.
Yeah. Sam Capital alarm is bearish too. Yeah,
Ain't
that's
no
true.
day of news either. Let's go. We do got red folder at 10 a.m. for the NY session, but we chilling.
Yeah,
for
yeah, we
that.
should be good. Everything looks good for London into New York here today. Yeah, even if this even if the 4 hour remains, even if we do close bullish on the 4 hour, you may get a celery play here on the 4 hour time. So maybe it may not go up, right? We may just bounce around right in right between like 31 and 38, and then later on have a drive. So hopefully we get something here for London. Hopefully things start to shape up for London Open, but you know, we can only do so much, right? The market provides us the opportunities. We just gotta provide the patience and sit tight and wait for them. Breathe air.
It's the simple thing here. All right. Our job is to look for the best trade today. Well, we will we will execute on a trade when the markets present us one of our playbook setups, right? One of our confirmations. That's when we'll be in this. That's when we'll be in a trade. Gotta wait on that.
Just wait on it. Starving.
Our job is simple.
My man Hank. Honestly, Hank, I'm not even too sure what you're referring to, so it's all good, brother. I forgot to breathe air, yeah. What up, C4? Hey, Kate.
Breathe air.
Let's get Kate. Kate's in the house.
8.
Kate's been here since, man, day one, I think. Like, month one at least.
I feel like I remember that name. The earlier months.
Yeah. Kate's on the opposite side of the world, if I'm not mistaken, so I'm sure it's tough for NY session.
That is sick.
But she's here for the London. Let's go. Did we
Shout out my
pray?
UK traders.
Yeah, we prayed already. If you guys want to go back and hear the prayer, it's in the beginning. Blessings. I was just shooting blessings at everyone. Sometimes I got to blow my blessing gun off, like,
I can't.
stick them back in the holster. Throw out the blessings again later.
Gotta count your blessings.
Blessings. Classic traders in the house. Yo, the mods are pulling in here, John.
For your blessings. Let's
They're
get
pulling in, baby. They're pulling in. What up, Classic?
I like to see. Classic trader. Good morning. Landon. Good morning, Landon.
I'm not sleeping.
Keep yourself up, brother.
Yeah, today I was trying to sleep a little bit, but I kept hearing Tate's voice in my head say, "You're broke." I'm like, oh damn, yeah, London session, London session time. Notice me, hey yo, ULFU. That don't sound right, man. You should change your name to like Bill, or like Jim, or like Peter.
Ron.
John.
What's up, Ron?
What up, Dennis Hood?
What up, Alexander?
Oh, yo, they're all pulling in now. Dennis Hood's in the house. Pink, pink. Alexandros is in the house. Let's go. Oh, where's Alexandru? Don't tell me he fell asleep. Man hasn't slept in 2 days.
I see Alexandro stuff.
Yeah, this is good. I wanted to move up here like this.
Look at money.
Very nice. Yeah, if we get a fake out here on the 15, closure, bearish closure back on the 30, we're in here. Yeah, we're in here for London Open. Even if we don't close below, what we're anticipating is this heavy move down, right, during London Open. So if you get a resistance here, then that volume should push us through all of this choppiness. If we don't get exactly what we're looking for, meaning bottom wicks, top wicks, all that good stuff, then we wait. You know, we wait on a 15 closure below the support levels here. So we got to see what we're going to do up here first. I did want to make this move up. As I said earlier, we have done that, broke these highs. Therefore, lots of buyers have been activated. And now we got to see what we do up here, right? Because price could easily move up here now, right? We've officially closed above the range. But I'm trying to put the story together between the higher time frames here, right? So we needed that to happen, and now price kind of moved back down into the range here. So we'll see what happens. We've got time. We've got 8 minutes on the 30 close here, and about 38 minutes until the London Open. So. Hey, shout out to all you guys passing challenges, getting payouts, son. So what's up?
Love it.
That's what I like to
to my
see.
ears.
Yeah.
Every day someone should be passing challenges.
Yeah.
That's what it seems like.
There's Alexandru. He's active. He's active. Unstoppable.
Alexandru.
Yeah, man. We here. We in the London. We in the
Yeah,
London. We got motion.
Let's get it.
I knew. Once I seen that stream go live, I knew. Yeah, fake outs here would be dope.
Yeah, I smell fake outs. Remember, trend is your friend. Don't try to fight it.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Earlier, where was that? Earlier on, I mean, I remember there was guys taking buys. I advised not to, but yeah, price moved down heavy. Heavy. Yeah, now we're just gonna range, right? Now we're ranging a bit, and then we should make this. You have like this leg 1, range, leg 2, range, and then you should hit us with the leg 3 here pretty soon. You know, for London and New York here today. Asian didn't really do much. We just kind of consolidated. We were looking at the 4-hour close during Asian, right? I think it was this close here. Where was that? Yeah, price started moving down, right? And we actually did break the 30 lows and all that right here. But man, I'm telling you, through July and August, we really dialed in. I was telling some of the guys this yesterday. We really dialed in on the 15, like how to use it, when to use it, how to really like surgically use this, you know. And a lot of times that it's being used is like as we tiptoe around the 4-hour open, right, to make sure we've got our wicks and we make sure things line up on the 15 for top wicks and all that, and look for resistances. And man, the 15, we had that support here, right? So although we broke the 30 lows, that's what activated everyone. See that? I believe that was the 30 low there. That's where we activated everyone, but we never closed below, right? And then what happened was this candle now, once that candle closed right here, I was like, yeah, nothing. We're going to range here for the rest of the night. So what happened though, right? This next candle, for those that weren't disciplined there and they thought they were going to miss this whole move, a lot of sellers got activated right here. Boom. Right there and right there. Boom. A lot of sellers. This was the previous 30 lows, and this was this 15 low. So that was the new 30 low. So, and then look, price shot back up. So unless you get that closure below, gang, it's not, we can say that the 4 hour is not ready to go yet. Right. So that's one of the things that we've been able to do, tiptoeing around that 4 hour open on the 15-minute, was just understanding where's the range at. And like, if we don't close below there 8 out of 10 times, the 4 hour is just not ready yet. And as you can see, right, we moved back up. We created a little bit of a steeper top wick on the 4 hour, came down pretty heavy. And now we're at the new 4 hour, right? So this was the push. This was the 4 hour top wick. This was the move down. This was the closure. And then this is the new top wick, right, on the new 4 hour candle here. So in order for us to say, hey, we've got the top wick, we need to see a resistance form, right? And if it's a fake out or something like that, even better, because now we can say, all right, we can trust that this wick is the 4 hour high, being that we have officially now faked out back into the range and created that resistance, right? Are you guys understanding that? This is big. This is huge right here. We can say, okay, this right there is now the 4 hour top wick. This move up was the wick, and now if we're closing back below during high volume times, that should lead to the 4 hour now beginning to drive, right? So if you get a resistance here, awesome. If we can take ourselves during London Open, we will. If not, we'll just wait on this closure right here, right? And then look to move down. So that's the idea behind the, moving with the 4 hour time frame for and anticipating the 4 hour move down, right? And understanding when it's ready. Yeah, because there was plenty of times where we got stopped, right? Because we would just base it off the 4 hour. So like, let's base it off the 4 hour, just break the lows, we're in there. And sometimes that works, sometimes these lower time frames will just move, right? And you don't want to miss that 4 hour move. But what we found out was that there's these little ranges also on the 15 that could play a big role in when the higher time frame candles are ready to get going. So yeah, we learned a lot about that in July, August.
Man, I'm hella grateful for this year. Learned a lot.
Yeah, dude. What a year. What a year. I'm doing my yearly review this weekend. I'm so looking forward to it.
Yeah, bro. The knowledge I got from this year, from last year, is just mind-blowing.
Yeah. Yep. And to think
it
that
shows you stay committed. You stay committed for the year, show up day in, day out. Take your trades, go over them, and study them, man. Like you're gonna learn a lot. You're gonna get better simply by doing that. That's why some things they say just takes experience. You gotta be here to see these things happen.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, and the problem with most traders is, let's say like you take a little bit of a slow season, a month or a couple of weeks or even 2 or 3 months, and they move from that system and they look to dive into another system and see if this one works for me. And the problem is you now lose all that time, right? Where those of you guys who have been, on board and rolling with us, we've got the experience, right? For those that slowed down when things got a little iffy, they just stopped, right? What do you do when you're confused? You just freeze, right? So they just stopped, and they weren't able to collect the rest of the data. They weren't able to collect the rest of the experience with us, right? So now they have to kind of dial back and they could have got the experience, but they just didn't because they didn't show up to the charts every day, right? Because things weren't looking that bad. So that's why you always have to keep marching forward, right? Day in and day out. So you can collect that data, collect that experience, because I could have all the experience and data I want, but that only helps you to a certain degree, right? But you need to get that experience on your own as well, that time in the markets, because ultimately, what happens if I decide I'm not going to stream anymore tomorrow, right? So you want to get that knowledge for yourself. You want to develop that experience for yourself, and you don't want to miss the opportunity, right? You don't want to waste time. You just want to keep going. Oh, they want you to do some push-ups, John.
Push up time.
Push up.
Minute closure.
30 close, 30 close coming up. So it looks like we're starting to move down here on the 30. We did get this 30 close. Let's see if we can get a top wick, and we may be in this position here. Yeah, we got wicks to fill here as well. We got London open in, so yeah, this may be an opportunity here for us. Previous candle highs are what, 20 pips?
Only a 3 pip wick fill.
Yeah, it would probably be down here, yep. Oh yeah, London open is in 30 minutes, yep. Do you have a course? Yeah, it's right here for free every day. New York live streams. We bring the heat, man. We don't hold back anything. We just we just keep it real, you know, keep it as real as it gets. Show the transparency, teach you guys about what this really is, you know. I'm not your Instagram guru. I'm just another guy trading here. I do pretty well for myself with trading, and this alone right here will be a course for free, man. You know, in a course you're really trying to learn how does this guy trade, right? But here you can just show up and see it for yourself, all for free.
We show you
the good, the bad, and the ugly. This a business, man.
Business.
All right, we did get a close here on 15, but we're gonna wait here for the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, 30-minute, 1 hour. 1 hour resistance would be awesome here.
I agree.
Yeah. Otherwise, we may create support, right? Because we already did create support on the 1 hour. We may create a new support here on the 30 for the move up. So, yeah, I think the 1 hour close is gonna be our best bet here. That will determine where price wants to go.
More information then.
But this is good. I really did want to see a move back up in this area, grab this liquidity up here, and then if we do get closures below, it's going to really probably be a nice move down here. 4 hours gearing up here.
Wow, it looks really clean.
Yeah, our sells are below that 4 hour low too, so.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're going to wait for the open.
Still got 2.5 hours with the 4 hour as well.
Yeah. How often will you be in the London session? Here and there. Here and there. Yeah, today I felt like we could potentially get a move. So depending on how the daily candle closes is what I look at and think, hey, you know, am I going to trade London tonight or not? So that's about it. Anytime we get a pretty nice daily closure that looks like we can get some action early on before New York, that's when I'll tend to, you know, wake up and check out the charts on London. So we're kind of seeing that now, man. We have this nice move down. We're getting rejections here. If you can close below, I think you're going to see a nice drive down here to like 2026. Yeah, we'll see if it happens. Yep. So it's kind of like random. Random. This is the best.
GJ just closing right at supports.
Oh yeah, GJ. Yeah. Yeah, GJ should probably move back up here, right? I think we need a nice little pullback on pound yen. I don't think we have. Yeah, we've got nothing on the 1 hour yet. And what's one concerning thing you see here? or should I say 3 concerning things, right? Just look at the top wicks on these candles. No top wicks or anything. Anytime I see something like that and we officially make the move and drive down, typically what's going to happen is price is going to move back up here, right? And create a resistance somewhere, but we should give these candles top wicks. Oh, nice. Look at this. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, we're moving through this consolidation range now. Blasting through that, doing the heavy work for us. So we need this 30-minute to kind of stay right here. Right around here.
Don't move, gold.
4-hour flipping on gold. Yeah, I think we're going to, if we officially get a closure, right? If the 30-minute closes below here and we break that 4-hour low, I think we're officially ready to go down. But until then, we could always reject here, right? So we need to see a candle close below, and this will be our opportunity to strike here, right? We talked about this in the boot camp, right? This is what? Which candle is this? What is this candle called right here? This guy right here. What's that called? Who's got it? Who's in the boot camp? What? Yo, who was in the boot camp?
Handle.
There they go. There they go. That's your confirmation candle right there, right? That's your confirmation candle saying, okay, we're closed below the range here. We should be ready to go. And then this right here is our trading candle, right? This guy right here. So we need that confirmation before anything, but it is looking good. It's looking good.
Real good, y'all.
Yeah, 15 respected the high there. That was your fake out. That may be your 4-hour high of the session now, and then price should be good to drive down here. Yeah. Yep. So we know that there's a look. So we know that there's a support that needs to be retested here, right? And if we're breaking lows, there's a high chance we will retest that. Now, when do we retest supports and resistances? We do that during high times of volumes, right? When do we typically get a breakout? During high times of volume, right? So if we're ranging here and price is starting to move below and we're starting to come into a high time of volume and there's a support to be retested and we get a 30-minute closure, you know, what's the chances we move down? You know, versus up. Let's just say what's the chances we move up versus what's the chances we move down, right? I think the odds are in your favor at that point. And that's what an edge is. An edge
Exactly.
is just having an idea and based off of data, right? That there's a higher chance for price to move down than up in this case. Right? Now, an edge isn't saying it's 100% chance we move down, right? It's a higher chance. So nothing's ever definite here, right? The candle can do everything we want it to do, pop up and drive all the way up here. Right, so nothing's ever 100% in trading. Everything is based off probabilities. Once you learn to use the probabilities in your trading, you will start to see, you know, have a track to run on and find some consistency. Yeah, yeah, we want to see.
That's what we're always looking at too. We're looking at it in probabilities, you know, in every way.
Yeah, and every day when we come to the charts, we're not seeing how great of a trade we can get. We're seeing how well can we stay disciplined to that edge, because that edge is what pays over time, right? So the goal every day is not to take a trade. The goal every day is to follow your system to the T. That right there is a winning day. I know some of you guys don't see that as a winning day yet, but I want you to know that the professionals, that's how they view a winning day. Not by whether they made money or lost money, but by whether they strictly followed the plan that they have set based off of the previous data collected, which allows them to have an edge in the market. And as long as they follow that edge, they have won the day. So understand that too, right? The quicker you can understand that, the quicker you can stop quaking, the quicker you can start winning. Would you take a sell off the 15? I am going to wait for this 30 close here. Yeah, if the 30 closes below the support, then yeah, we're in there. We're in there for London Open here. 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Oh, AB Mike's in the house. What up? Hey, did you wake up? Did someone have to call you?
AB Mike. Good. Still no TK.
Still no TK. Hey, TK. We'll give TK a break. TK's hard worker, man. He's always working. Building computers and
beast.
We need a Cuban coffee. Little Cuban. Oh, you just woke up? Hey, you didn't miss anything yet. Besides a lovely last hour, but you know, that's fine. So look, gang, this is why we did not make that move off the 4 hour alone here, right? Because the 30's the close we need. The 15's the close we need. Otherwise, the 4 hour is not ready yet. You know, and sometimes as you work this concept, you'll wait for the right opportunities, and sometimes the 4 hour will just leave you. You know, it happens sometimes, but a lot of times if you want to surgically move around in the markets with precision, then you're going to have to really get a read off these lower time frames here. Yeah, because now look at us, back up. So we got to get a closure below, not just a wick down. Am I looking for close below 2030? I'm looking for a closure below 2031 912 here. Yeah. We got our fake out we're looking for. So let's see if we can come down now. 4 hour is almost ready to go. Right? It already rebroke its own lows, so we'll see what happens there. But yeah, that's the move we're waiting on. Yeah, now look, if we move back up, so we always have a plan for buys and sells, right? So if this candle moves back up, right, and closes something like this, then look, you may see a move up here, right? We may start to drive up and tap back into 38 here. So we got to be careful, right? We got to be careful in this area. You got to be careful in this jungle, gang.
For real.
Oi, Wolfie. W strategy. Hey there. Be careful with the commodity open in London, 920. All right. Thanks for the heads up. Oh, is this the... let's see. We're going to break the 4 hour high again here. So first attempt didn't make it there on the 15. 30-minute candles attempting to close above there now as well. So let's see. You got 15 minutes left on the candle. This 15 is going to close here in 35 seconds. So we'll see. Still gonna hang here, hang tight for the open. Yeah, we may close a no top wick here too. That would be awesome.
London be burning the value.
So you see how yeah, you see how traders can get very confused here, right? Taking buys here, taking sells here, taking sells here, taking more buys here, right? It could be very confusing. That's why this whole range is just, you know, no bueno, right? Just instead of like exhausting yourself mentally, this is where we talk about how when traders come to the charts on a scale of 1 to 10, man, you know, in terms of like their mental energy, you start taking a bunch of these positions without a good read, and you just go from a 10 to a 7 to a 5, 4 to a 2, and then the best trade comes and you're at a 2, and you just hesitate, right? You just let this thing go because you've already just wiped yourself out, you know what I mean, over the last couple trades trying to find a winning position when you could just wait, right? Just wait for the best, highest potential opportunities during high volume time to get a position. I promise you, all you need is one good trade a day. 1 or 2 really good trades a day, and that's it.
Bro, for real, you ain't lying.
Yeah. Yeah. Now people took buys right here, right? Off the break of the highs. So now buyers are back in. Sellers are stopped out, right? Sellers get in. Sellers get stopped out. Buyers get in. So this is that area in which you don't want to play games with, right? You're playing with fire in this zone here. Fire, fire.
Play with fire, you might get burnt, you know?
Get out the kitchen.
Real. Nah, hell, you really want to simplify your trading? Transfer your mentality to the best trade. I'm looking for the best trade today. Instead of I'm looking to make money, I'm looking for the best trade.
True. True, true. You really up at 2 a.m.? Yeah, it's 2:45, 2:46 a.m. here. Yeah, 2:46. Please arrange boot camp soon. Yeah, you missed the last one. Yeah, a bunch of people missed the last one. We're working on it. We're gonna figure out new dates and stuff like that, and let you guys know. And we'll give everyone plenty of time to get ready for this one, because last one was, man, we organized it, and it still like just blew me away, like how much value was really there, right? Because I was there as a student myself, like after I was done doing my technical analysis stuff and price action stuff, I was there taking notes as a student. So I thought it was really, really good. So we'll see if we can organize another one here in Q1 of 2024.
Hey, what's up, Rafi? My man in the chat.
Rafi was dropping heat in that boot
Man,
camp,
when does he not drop heat?
Yo, for real. I think boot camps will be good once every quarter. Yeah, so you can, because things do change up, right? You do learn these little tweaks and nuances quarter to quarter. So we learn a lot, right? You can learn a lot in the markets, and I still learn every day, right? Like I'm still continuing to learn. I'm nowhere near where I want to be in life and all that yet either. So I'm still learning, I'm still growing, and I think that if we come together once a quarter and really start to, I used to do that for my network marketing business too. We used to have personal growth and development, like business material type of events 4 times a year, and I would leave there ready to go with such a clear mind, and I knew exactly what I wanted to get done, and what I would do is I would build my business 90 days to 90 days. So I would build it from conference to conference, quarter by quarter. And same thing with trading. That's the same way I treat my trading. Is every quarter kind of brings a new season. Just like you have seasons with the weather, you have summer, you have fall, you have winter, you have spring. The markets also go through different seasons as well, and it's good to be able to adapt. It's good to recap what happened last season and what do we need to do moving forward, right? Sometimes it's fall time and it's time to get them jackets out, right? So maybe those are things that we need to talk about, right? May have to get our jackets out here in the markets in quarter 2 and quarter 3 or whatever it is. So yeah, I think that'll be pretty cool. We'll see if we can get it done. Yeah, we'll see if we can get it done. I think we should be good.
Always a student of the game. The learning never stops. Continuous learner, right? Successful men in all calling never stop acquiring specialized knowledge related to their major purpose, or profession, right? People make the mistake thinking like that the knowledge acquiring period stops once like school finishes or a course finishes, right? They think like it stops, but that's the mistake a lot of people make, right? But successful people in all callings are continuous learners. So you want to be successful, right? Be a continuous learner.
Yep. Yeah, that's when it starts. After the course, after the book.
Heck,
That's when the work starts. My boy Trav is here. Trav's a really, 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 really good diesel mechanic. Travis, when you went to school to learn diesel mechanics, did the real journey start when you got to school or when you graduated? Did you learn more in the couple years that you were actually being taught the skill set, or did you start to learn or acquire way more knowledge as you got into the field? Yeah, on the job, right? So that's how it works here. This is no different, gang, than anything else you've ever done in your life, right? You're going to learn, you're going to grow, and then a lot of those aha moments are going to come based off of experience and time in the markets. So simple. Most people just can't trust the time, right? They'll do it for a job, but they won't do it for their dream life. So don't let that be you. You know, stick to the script. You know what you want to accomplish. You know what you're made of. Let's go get it.
oh yeah.
You know nothing till you're in the field. Exactly.
Facts.
School's the basics. Yep. Yeah, exactly. 100%. Same thing, right?
Yeah.
Trading, mechanics, I don't know, computer programmer, karate, learning the piano. I mean, this is no different than anything else you've ever done. The false reality is you can come in here and just boom, press a couple buttons, make a bunch of money, and that's not the case, man. It's no different than anything else you've ever done in your life.
So true.
You smell me? Experience, baby.
Yeah.
Yep.
Huge, bro. Experience is huge.
Your dreams are waiting for you. Yes, they are. The dream life is just waiting for you. Right? I'm excited about going to the next level. I've accomplished a lot of really awesome things that I'm super happy about, but I'm going to the next level here, right? I'm 100% going to the next level. What I want to know is who's coming with me, right? Who's gonna make, because you know all the success and all the excitement isn't fun if you don't have anyone to share it with, right? So I want more. I want to know who the next wave of people hitting their next level in life, so we can all level up together.
Oh yeah, man.
Level up, level up.
I'm ready.
Trying to connect magic keys. Make sure algo trading is on. Yeah, make sure it's clicked on here, up top here, and then also make sure it's clicked in common here. That may be your issue.
Look at it.
All right, well, we got 6 minutes here for the open. Good morning, OG. You made it? Let's go.
OG.
Stick to the playbook since day one. Let's go. Finding frenzy. Let's get it.
The playbook.
Yeah, I mean, we have not done anything different all year. We've just stuck to the playbook. It's really served us well.
For real. People ask, how is it so easy to be patient? And it's because of that playbook, right? We know what we're looking for. So since we know what we're looking for, it's easy to be patient on it, right? And wait for it. It's pretty simple.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, most traders, man, if they could just hone in on a specific playbook, they'll have a nice track to run on, right? This is the track. You need a nice track to run on here. A lot of you guys are over here running this way, running that way. You need a nice track to run on. Something consistent, something concrete that you can simplify in your mind and be able to wait on day in and day out, right? Like, we know exactly what we're looking for here. We're not guessing. There's no guesswork. We're going based off of data, based off of experience, day in and day out. That we have a track to run on here, right? So my goal is to give y'all a track to really run on if you don't have that yet. That's it. You know, too many traders, and here's the problem. They do well, and then they bump into a little bit of some red, right? A little bit of some heat, and then they skate off track, right? And unfortunately, a lot of times they end up coming back because they're just tired of chasing, you know, this thing and this thing and this thing. They attempt it all. They thought that this might be the 100% winning strategy, and maybe it was this, and then they realized through this process, you know what, there is no 100% winning strategy, and I was doing the best over here when I had a track to run on, so let me go back over, right? So a lot of traders, they'll move through this cycle, man, throughout their entire, it'll be decades. Don't let that be you, right?
Facts.
It's a simple fix. Stick to one system and just master it. I got news. Every strategy, every system, they all work. They all work, right? Which one are you going to be able to stick with, though, right? And wrap your head around. That's the thing that's the main question you want to ask yourself going into 2024 is, you know, I have 3 or 4 strategies that I'm looking at, but which one can I really stick with? It's like a diet, you know, like if you're normally eating snacks all the time, like you don't want to go and cut everything completely, right? And just cold turkey everything. Chances are you're going to go back, you know, your brain is wired to eat that stuff consistently. But so it's not something that you can stick with, be disciplined to. But if you say, hey, you know what, I'll have a snack, you know, twice a week instead of 4 times a week now or 5 times a week, that's something that you may be able to stick with and get better results, right? So you want to really find something that you're going to be able to you know, work with day in and day out.
Achieve long-term success with.
Yeah. Otherwise, you end up in that vicious cycle, man, off the proven path, you know, off the beaten path, and you don't want to do that, man. You don't want to go there. There's just too many great traders that went before us that have mapped out a game plan and have paved the way to try and reinvent the wheel. Yeah, barber school. Yeah, exactly. Same thing, right? You could learn all you want to learn cutting them little mannequin hairs. It ain't until I come in there and be like, yo, what could you do? You could do this. I'll show you a picture. Now it's game time, right? And you're going to start learning on the fly, right? When that little bit of that pressure's on. Like, damn, I never did this haircut before, but, you know, let me do it. And you got coworkers, right? You got people working with you that you could be like, yo, how'd you get that fade like that? You know, like what'd you do? What clippers you use, right? So you got a team, an association, a community that can help you along the way as well. So yeah, barber school, it's no different than trading. Everything's learned on the job. Hey, PM Magnifico's in the house. What up, PM?
Hey, what up, PM Magnifico?
It's not the strategy, it's the trader. Yes. Yeah, because if you're jumping from strategy to strategy, it's not that it doesn't work. It's just you don't work. You don't work, man. You got to get consistent. Oh, yeah, look at this. We're still in the range here with 1 minute left to go. So there may not be anything here for the initial London Open. I did see somebody said at the 20th of the hour, there is somewhat of a commodity exchange open. You guys would know better than me that trade London. So maybe we pop on the 15 here.
If that's at 9:20, I think that's 4:20 a.m. for us.
Gotcha.
Yeah, because 3 a.m. for us is 8 a.m. for the UK traders.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 15 just consolidated.
Consolidation, but we do have the open here. Yeah. 1 hour is closing bearish here too, pretty nicely. So yeah, everything looks good. So we broke the lows already. We came back up. Now you re-break those 4-hour lows, they should be gone at that point. 20 minutes after London Open. That's what I was thinking. More like 8:20, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
All right, lovely. So we did get a closure. We kind of closed a no bottom wick on the 15. Closed, you know, rangy still in the 30. The 1 hour did create somewhat of a resistance here as well. So we're looking good on the 1 hour. We're looking pretty good on the 4 hour. 30 did not close the greatest here, but we do have volume coming in. 15 also closed a no bottom wick there. So I say we wait on this 15 close. And as long as we get a closure below the range here, right, looking something like this, then I think we are golden here to continue the move down here. Yeah. Yeah, or if the 15 closes back above all this, like 2 fake outs and then a closure back above, you may want to move up, right? So this 15 is going to tell us a lot. Shiro's in the building. What up, Shiro?
Hero.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, the 1 hour is making a beautiful top wick too here. Shiro's in the building. Straight from Wakanda. He's here. He's here. TP is going to be down here at like 2026. Yeah, we got a lot. Hey, listen, we got a lot of range to drive here today. If we do want to go down, the daily candle could maybe just fill the wick, but if this daily candle really wants to rip, we've got 1990 in our sight here today, right? That daily support down there. I could see 2006 though for sure, especially if we begin to break those lows. Uh-oh. We're breaking highs. Oh, late. 1 hour highs got smoked. Oh, wow. Yikes.
Alrighty.
Level up. What up, level up?
Level up.
Oh, got a trade's in the house. Good morning, got a trade. Taco Tuesday.
Trade.
Yeah, Taco Tuesday.
Man. Damn, I have to make some tacos tonight.
Yo, did you get that reel I sent you on IG? With that dude cooking the ground beef on them buns? Yo.
I got a peep.
It looked so fire.
But it did, bro.
Obviously, without all that lettuce, tomato, onion stuff, you know what I mean?
On a bun? Yeah, I know what you mean, dog. Let's see.
All right, London Open. Initial push up here. Rebroke 4 hour highs as well.
Damn, bro.
Damn, homie.
That looks fire. Honestly, bro, we could legit make way better cheeseburgers than some of these restaurants.
How are you, John and Nick? I'm doing great, level up. I'm ready to level up. How are you?
I'm amazing level up, ready to hit some goals. Oh.
Any trades taken? Not yet, no. All right, give me 1 second.
3 push-ups. Amazing London Open. Yeah, we see some volume, right? Opening of the session. See some volume coming here. Just wait on it. Yeah, that's it. That's all we got to do. Just wait on it. Waiting on our confirmations. Four-hour wick going down. Yeah, that's what we can anticipate, right? We're anticipating the 4-hour wick come down, and we want to see how we can catch that, or what confirmations we can get from the lower time frames for that to for us to possibly catch that. Closure above 2039 looks good. Yeah, I agree. Those break at the 4-hour highs as well. Previous 4-hour highs. Hey, this 1-hour candle just a juice box right now.
To the moon.
Moon.
How's my Bitcoin doing? Let's take a look at Bitcoin while we wait.
Hopefully it's up.
Oh, it's up. Trust, believe that. It's up, dude. You see where these white lines are? I bought Bitcoin down here. So I haven't bought Bitcoin here since 2021, and I've re-entered the Bitcoin market here, down at like 26,000 here. So yeah, I'm expecting a nice juice box, and I'll be holding this for the next couple years. Yep.
My little small investment's doing good too, I'm sure.
Hey. Yeah, I'm gonna average in over time, but yeah, I really wanted to get below this, back down into support, or at least back down here, but we didn't really get that chance. So yeah, we're starting to create strong supports and move up now. So I seen the support here in September. So bought some Bitcoin there in the last couple days of September, and I didn't even expect this. I just liked what it looked like, so yeah. To the moon.
The moon.
Blast off.
The sky is the limit.
Let's take a look at NAS 100 here. Does NAS move good in London?
Nah, I usually always see it consolidating.
Yeah.
Seems like a New York session pair, you know?
Yes, sir. Yeah, picked me up 1 Bitcoin. 1 Bitcoin. I've got me a coin.
On
Oh,
Bitcoin.
Xander's in house.
What's up, Xander? Good morning.
NASDAQ rubbish in London? All right, yeah, we'll scratch that for London.
Ratchet.
Ratchet. Yeah, so we'll see what we could do here on price. 30-minute closure in 20, 15, and 5, so we'll see where we're at. Nah, I didn't get any ETH now. I just have BTC, and I'm still holding some SHIB from 3 years ago now. And that's it. Yeah, everything else was taken out. Yeah, this time around I think I'm just gonna do BTC. We'll see. We'll see how the other ones start to move. You ever make smash burgers at home? Nah, never. Never.
Very simple.
Yeah, we should.
Didn't Steve make them for us?
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah. I
Where?
did have them, but I
In
didn't
New
make
York?
them. Yeah. Those are fire.
Yeah, right.
Hey Rafi, how's that trip going? It's late night for you.
Hella late.
Hey chat, we got Rafi's girlie or wife eating steaks now too, man. The whole crew's eating steaks.
Let's go. That's what we like to hear.
Do you try white background on TradingView? Oh my eyes. Yeah, I've got a few I got a
I'll
few
see 'em.
saved in here. I've got black charts that I used to use. Oh my god, where'd my mouse go? I've got what else we got? Blue and white that I would use back in the day. You guys want to use
Don't even
these?
start.
Your
Don't start with
eyes will
that.
be bleeding. So yeah, I got these here. What other ones did I used to use? Green and red. This guy right here.
Blue and red was always nice.
What's this? Blue and white. Yeah, this one I love this one. I used this one for a while. Yeah, I like
it's
this
nice.
one. This one's not too bad, but nothing beats the wicks don't lie charts. Nothing beats the clean chart right here. Yeah. You're blind. Just blinded. Yeah, that's I couldn't handle that background anymore, man.
I don't know.
If you're a professional, you have black trading view. Your background's black in trading view. Flashbang. Well, you guys are in my time 3 a.m., man. You start checking your charts at 3 a.m. and you got that white background. Oh man.
Oh shit.
Holy.
Screwed.
Boom. You're automatically awake. Good luck going back to sleep.
You're awake with migraines in your brain.
Yeah, nah, I enjoyed using this one for quite some time too. This one's pretty good.
I remember when you always had that one.
Yeah. Yeah, this one's not bad. It's nice on the eyes too. But you can't see my zones. So my zones would have to be dark gray. But yeah, especially when you have these wicks, it really makes it stand out. But yeah, I think this is the best right here. Let's see if I could make those wicks a little bit lighter.
Yeah, what do you guys like better?
Yeah, white's actually not that bad. That's what I use now. White really makes it stick out.
Good. LeGrand. What up, LeGrand?
Some of y'all be trading like this, talking about wicks don't lie. Come on, man. Can't even see the wicks, bruh. Can't even see the wicks on your chart.
Yeah.
Talk about wicks don't lie.
Wicks don't lie.
Damn right. Yeah, nah, white's actually not that bad here. It's a little...
Oh, green and white candles got to trade. Nice.
Yeah, it looks actually not too bad. I think I might switch them to this one.
So what, you're just switching your wicks to white, being white?
They stick out a little bit better like that.
We're all messing around now with our trading view background.
Oh, I think I messed this up here. You guys can't... How do we do this again? Oh. TK is going to be mad because I messed this up. He's going to have to redo it.
As you get tight.
I think it was in scales. Yeah, my numbers are too small for you guys now.
I just changed my wicks to white. That looks a little different.
Yeah, it looks good. Would I stream an Asian session? No way.
Excuse me. Asian such. Come on now.
Lines instead of candles. Put a line chart. Yeah. Epic. All right, so 15 close here. It's gonna open up. I'm gonna wait on the 30, I would say. This 15 is way up here. Not that much room left in the range here. So I think we'll wait on the 30, see if we can get a pullback. And if we can, then there may be opportunities to take buys here. Yeah, it's either that or we wait for 2038 here, break of the previous 4-hour high. We'll come up, fill that wick, and then probably push up to like 2046, 2040, yeah, 2046 here. I can feel it in the air. Yeah. It's getting hot in here. Give me a sec. I gotta take this hoodie off.
Yeah, we lit. Come on, man. Sleeping is overrated. Yeah, facts. Yeah. Comics London open in 5 minutes. That's true. PK and some heavy sleep drawdown. Yeah, for real, my man's chilling. Yeah, not much to do here though. On this, right? We just driving. I'll wait for some sort of pullback. Nick about to set full margin on his other account? Yeah, right? He's probably hitting them push-ups right now.
Hey, don't worry about what's going on my other account. We hitting.
How are we doing?
The sell's invalid already? As of right here and right now, yeah. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, we just gotta wait.
Peggy will still be streaming the NY session. Yep.
Yeah, we'll stream NY. We'll make it 2 streams.
Both bringing some nice volume here, pre-London and London Open.
Gold bringing the heat. Oh, damn.
The juice box.
Moving up. Oh, nice. Won a 5K account from TFT? That's dope.
Hey, sick.
Hikanashi candles? Yeah, I don't use them. I know I learned all about all that, the lines and the Hikanashi and all these things here. But yeah, I think Japanese candles are best for me. I have a question, Nick. I found out NAS 100 has volume on New York close. You think it's a good idea to trade at that time? Yeah, if you have data on it and you've watched something happen a bunch of times around that time and you can build an edge around it, then yes. Oh yeah. Camera on pink. A killer can will make our candles pink.
Bigger candles.
All right, let's see what we're gonna do. We're coming up in this area here, so let's see if we're gonna actually move above or not.
We knocking at the door.
We're knocking. We have, this is your 820, I guess, your commodity exchange open for for London.
Yeah.
Yeah, imagine how many buys and sells we're taking in that range. Oh my goodness.
Pointless. Pointless being that range.
Yeah, big zone here. Big zone. Yeah,
We
someone
just
said
drove.
someone said there was some sort of volume that came in at the 20th of the hour. So you guys will know better than me. I don't trade London too often.
I mean, I never knew of a comics in London, but I knew that the whole 3 a.m. candle would be a decent moving candle.
3
Big
a.m. man.
candle either way. 3 a.m.
All right,
Freaking
8 minutes.
gold.
Like up the stream. Hey, how many people we got here? I don't even have let's see. Let's like the stream myself.
Oh, okay. Let's get it.
Let me like my own stream here.
Yeah, I just liked it myself.
Oh, thanks
Cool.
guys. Thanks for the likes. Thank you for the likes. Appreciate you guys liking the stream. 1,100 people here. Welcome, welcome.
Yeah.
Think you guys have been with us pretty much the whole time here, right? Yeah, pretty steady. Pretty steady, pretty steady. More people showed up for London Open, huh?
Definitely.
Gotta build a 3 a.m.
typical.
clientele.
My man Donald. Ooh, never broke those 5-hour highs yet. Chat came right up to those previous 4-hour highs. Still have not broke them. Let's see what we want to do here. Coming up though.
Yep, coming on up. Yeah, we do know as price action states that you can come all the way up as long as you respect the high. You're still good to go, right? Still in position to move down. So let's see if we break this high here. Hey, Donald, let's go. Oh, yeah. Donald's been here for a hot minute, too. Moving and grooving, improving. Moving and grooving, improving. Yes, sir.
He really has been, yo. Really has been.
Hey, Landon, good stuff, bro.
Landon, too.
Henry's in the house. How you doing? Now
Agreed.
we need Joey Stu here.
I'm about to go jump on his bed.
Do it. Travis. You know, they don't know about that, man. Damn. Waddle. Oh, there go the 4-hour highs. Okay. So let's see what happens here now. 30's going to close up in about 4 minutes. If this candle can close with no top wick, that'd be great. Because now we got a pretty clean range, so we could potentially take ourselves from up here, right? Versus down here now. Someone said something about runners here today. Yeah, because if you can do a fake out here, that would be awesome, right? You fake out here, you close back within the range, you probably get a decent exhaustion wick, because that wick has to activate the buyers, right? And then you close back in, and then we'll take ourselves coming down, right? Take partials in this area here, and then you may just continue down now, you know, for the remainder of the day. Obviously, you'll probably pull back a little bit, you know, there may be some bullish candles within here, but yeah, maybe that'll be the high of the day here. Close with no top wick. Do it.
Juicer here. Big candle.
Juice box. Nice to see you
Never
back.
came down to make bottom wick.
No, never. Yeah. Just straight launch up since London opened.
Literally.
How often will you be in London? Here and there, here and there. Here and there, here and there. Pop up probably randomly. Like I was saying earlier, usually I like to look at the daily closure. If we have a nice closure on the daily, which we did get today, right? So close below, anticipating this daily to make a top wick here and drive down. So those are the days where I'll like look to see if maybe I can capitalize on something in the London session.
London game.
2 minutes. Shiro. Mwahahaha. Michi's in the house. What up, Michi?
Michi.
Nah, I don't trade London every day. Not every day. Once in a blue moon, and I looked out tonight and it was a blue moon. I say, you know what? This is our opportunity for a once in a blue moon London session.
Nice daily closure. Got to catch it. Got to be up for it. Be up for the move.
Dopa's in the house. What up, Dopa? Oh, nice. Rejecting here. 15-minute rejection. 5 coming down. New trader 24. Yeah. They disappear here quick.
Trader 20.
I need coffee with a cigar. Hey, yo, coffee with a cigar. All right, 34 seconds here. You are closing. You are rejecting this zone here, so pretty interesting, man. 45 pips. 5 minutes moving down. Yeah. Yeah, you may see the next 15 do something like this here. Right, close like this, and then if it does do that, then we're gonna take sells coming down. Right, to get in on the remainder, because we should have a lot of volume coming in for the next like hour and a half here. So that's when you could potentially see the move. So you did close bullish but we did close below all these ranges here. So we're just going to wait on a confirmation candle here. That's all. Yeah, there's no confirmation for buys here. There's no confirmation for sells. 30-minute close below the range. This is a no trade range here pretty much. And yeah, 15 as well. So 1 hour candle still open. We'll see how we close on this next 15. And if we get a resistance, then there may be some opportunity here for us. Yeah, we're anticipating the 4 hour to potentially grab the pack here, right? Pack runner and drive down. Because, you know, a lot of people entered that off of this flip here, right? Got in and they had their stops right here. So they were only risking half their account. Right here. It was the current 44 hour high. But that got smoked. So they moved their stop and they risked their full account. And this blew it. So now that that blew their accounts, the money's here. And now the patient, disciplined traders can get an opportunity to get in the game. So we'll see what happens. We'll see.
That's facts.
We will see.
Gotta wait for the markets to talk back to us, answer our question. 15 minutes.
Yeah. Yep. So we got a bearish close. Look, what can you expect? Right? Price moves very nicely here. Price moves very nicely. Very nicely. We're coming up here again. If we form a resistance like that, then you should see a nice move down. Now, will we get past all this? I don't know. Right? That's why we take partials or take risk off the table and you know, keep an eye on that area there. But all in all, right, we should begin to drive down here if we're going to grab this pack and start moving down. So yeah, that'll all be determined on this candle right here. Will we close above to move up, or will we close bearish here to give us that resistance? That's it. George VDM is entered the building. What up, George?
Georgie.
Georgie, how you doing?
What up, Georgie?
Didn't even know you was doing London. How come and how often? Sometimes here and there. What up, Carlo? Good to see you here.
Whenever you ask when he trades London, the answer is simple: whenever he wants.
Whenever I feel like it. 5 minutes good? Yeah, 5 minutes good. I just don't really use the 5 too much. Oh, I'm new here and always trading the 1 minute. Any advice? Yeah, try and stick to the 30 minute. 15, 30, 1 hour for your entries. What I like to do is I like to look at the daily. I like to look at the 4 hour. And I like to try and anticipate where those candles are going to go. And the way I do that is I go down and try and make it make sense here on like the 30-minute time frame or the 15-minute time frame, right? So, yeah, I always have like 4 hour daily targets, and then entries are, you know, 15, 30, 1 hour. What were you going to say, John?
Oh, you go outside it off today?
Yeah, really quick. It was nice. It was nice.
The morning walks are always the best, to be honest.
Yeah.
Peaceful.
Oh, good afternoon from Pakistan. Good afternoon. Hey, bro. Hey. Hey, what's up, Rudy? Rudy. Rudy. Would I apply the playbook setups on other pairs? Yes. Yeah, the only thing about the other pairs is that you just have to learn when the volume comes in. You want to learn like the little details about that pair, and then you can apply this, you know, like I have this strategy, but it'll work for the pound, right? It'll work for GU, it'll work for GA, It'll work for gold, right? So I just had to kind of tailor it towards gold and towards the New York session and my experience on candles. But yeah, this strategy will work on any pair. As long as you're trading candles, it'll work out well. You just gotta, like I said, learn those little nuances of that pair, and then you should be good to go. Yeah, it'll even work for like crypto.
Because it's just candlesticks, right? Candlesticks are candlesticks.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah, man. 15 close here in 8 minutes. Yo, anybody know how to make this bigger? These numbers bigger? I forgot how I did it last time. Thought it was here somewhere. Canvas. Yeah, I forgot what I did last time.
What numbers are you? What are you trying to make bigger?
These side numbers over here. Shiro knows. Question for you, Nick. How do you run your morning routine when you stay up on days like today? Take a nap later on. I will take a nap during the day and feel like I need to reactivate my mind. Yeah, typically, like what I'll probably do is probably shut this stream down around like within an hour or so, maybe, if we don't get anything, and then probably take a quick nap and then wake back up with probably like an hour to spare before the New York session, and then I'll do it then. Yeah. Or I may just stay up. We'll see.
Yeah, I feel like you gotta like see how you feel, you know? Like some days you can take a nap, some days might as well just stay up.
Yeah, I think I could stay up here today. Take a nap maybe. I probably won't even take a nap. Probably just stay up and go to bed later. Later tonight.
I feel like we have mad time now from after this stream till the NY stream to get hella stuff done.
Yeah, it's true. Looking good. Actually looking pretty good.
Yeah, right.
18 pip stops. Potentially. We'll see. For a previous candle. Oh, yeah. There we go. See? Shiro knows everything. Let's go. Thank you, Shiro. I'm going to hit you with some blessings. Blessed, 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 blessed. Do you get distracted a lot? Never. That's good. Yeah, nah,
Nah, bro, you're perfect.
Depends on what I'm doing. You guys think I get distracted on the live stream? Be talking about something, I'll be like, yeah. Anyways, talk about something else.
It never happens.
Gotta trade. Good to see you here, man.
It's always good to see Gotta Trade.
Yes, sir. It's perfect. Oh, it's perfecto.
Yeah, Gotta Trade. I agree. The piece, none compares to it.
Peace. Anytime my kids are
out.
sleeping, there's peace. All right, I'll be right back. Gotta do some push-ups. Where we at, chat? Where we at on our push-ups? Gotta trade. Where are you at on them push-ups here today, sir?
Got a trade. How many
Let's
push-ups you
go.
got?
Let's go. Got a trade. All right, give me 1 sec.
Let's go, y'all. Let's run up these push-ups. You already know I'm about to get a monster workout in after this session. Nick, are you joining the John Boy London session? Nice to see it. Yeah. Nick will be joining us. You know, once in a blue moon, like you said. Yeah. Ooh, 15-minute just driving here. Leading. He's quaking from the chat. Facts, Rafi. Okay, we got 4 minutes for this candle. 15-minute candle closure.
I'll do them right now. Let's go. Let's go. Got a trade. We got everyone. Hey, we got you. We got everyone getting in shape physically, financially, spiritually, mentally. Come on, where do they do this at, man?
Those
Where
are
they
the
doing
goals,
this
man.
at?
That's the goal.
Hold on, I'm out of breath.
Y'all, the push-ups be crazy pumps. Give you a crazy pump.
Yeah,
You will be sleeping on push-ups, yo.
especially when you do them quick. I'm gonna need to breathe some air here.
Breathe air.
Breathe air.
Breathe air. Let's get it.
Oh, nice. Look at this. Broke the
yeah,
lows
that's what
there.
I'm saying.
Lovely.
Yeah. So
Looking
looking good. Below
It is.
36 on that 15-minute.
Looks nice.
Yeah, we were talking about peace earlier. Got a trade, but yeah, it's just taking like when I take a walk around like 4 a.m. man, it's the best, most peaceful time, to be honest. Take a walk.
Yeah. All right, lock this in, chat.
yo,
We may get some positions here. Yeah, we look like we got like 28 pip stops. Unless this candle can pull back a bit, then stops may be a little bit better. But yeah, looking pretty good so far. We don't want to. We want to kind of see it hang here. So see if we get it to pull back a little bit.
Right there would be perfect.
What's the best tip for me starting out, if you don't mind? Don't focus on the money. Focus on really executing on a good edge, learning the edge, learning the system, and then the money will follow. Yeah, too many people focus on the money really, really early on in the journey, and the money just runs from them. Let's go, burpees. Let's go. We got burpees.
You're right. Yo, Rafi, burpee plus the push-up, right?
If I'm not baptized, am I doomed? Nope. 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 The guy that was next to Jesus on the cross, he wasn't baptized. But Jesus said, "I'll remember you. Surely you'll be with me," he said. He didn't get baptized. He didn't give to the poor. He didn't preach. Right? He didn't serve his community. He just believed. He had faith. Right? By faith. Now let me ask you, now if he got off that cross and made it out alive, would he have gotten baptized? I think so. Right? Would he have served the poor? I think so. Would he have preached the gospel? I think so. But did he need to do that? No. So you're good, my friend. Faith.
Free gift. Free gift.
It's a free gift. Yes, sir. Oh man, 5 seconds. Are we gonna close a no bottom wick? Don't do it to us. Hey.
No. What in the world? Wowzers. Right back in the 34 levels here, Nick.
Huh?
Right back in the 34
Yeah,
levels
right
here.
here. Yep. Dun, dun, dun. Why when I'm in church, the Don don't let me eat the bread? Hey, that brother might be starving, man. He trying to save that bread for later.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
That brother's
Yeah.
starving, man. Church. He hungry.
That bread they gave you. Who knows what
Yeah.
that was?
Yep. Mm, 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 mm.
That looks good though. Maybe 30 will leave a wick to fill. See.
Yeah, we're on to the 30 now here, chat. Unfortunately, got no top wick here, no bottom, very little bottom wick. But my main concern here is the no top wick. So just gotta wait. Just gotta wait. Unfortunately, fortunately, unfortunately, but fortunately, yeah.
Unfortunately, I think.
One thing I'm definitely not doing is selling into this with no top wick on this candle. That's a
Oh, dude, you're out of
rookie
your
move.
mind.
That's a newbie move right there. We need a top wick at least.
I would tell you, I think you lost your mind. Yeah, 11th hour exactly. Yeah, Rafi. Raj would have a fit.
Yep. Yeah, look at this 1 hour. Yeah, this rejection on the 1 hour. Closures below here would be awesome. Yeah, that would be a high probability position right there. Yep. But yeah, I mean, we tried it, right? We tried to get it from up here. No bueno. Potentially wanted to get this if we pulled back. No bueno. No top wick here. Right into back into this consolidation. So we're literally forced to wait here, right? Because there's nothing concrete, nothing guaranteed, nothing. Oh, nothing's ever guaranteed, but there's no real confirmation at this point.
Nothing.
Nothing.
We're pretty much literally correcting that previous 30-minute candle right now.
Yeah, that London open move. Up, down. What goes up must come down. But yeah, we're trying to get in here, trying to go short as high as we can, but you know, we still need those confirmations. Have I ever had a losing streak while streaming? Yes. Yes. We had a losing streak. I think it was like 3 trades on stream. Yeah, I think it was like 3.
I believe so.
I forget when it was.
Imagine, bro, if you were perfect.
That'd be lit. Yeah, 3. So in February we took 3 losses in a row. March we just took 3 losses in March. April was solid pretty much. Yeah, we only took 2 losses there in April. May was solid as well. June, yeah, June we almost had a perfect game, man. Yeah, June we owed damn near perfect, but took this loss. Yeah, some of you guys know. July, yeah, I think it was in August here. Yeah, August was our last, like, we hit a three-peat here to end the month. Just end the month like crap. Yeah. But then we had a pretty
Which month
decent...
was that?
That was August. August, I think, was our... I think August might have been our only, like, bad month out of the year this year.
Grateful for August.
Yeah, August... I wouldn't say August was bad because we learned so much. So much in August. Yeah. Yeah, notice how a lot of these trades, look, 15-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, these losses, 15-minute time frame. So we really worked on our game there on the 15, and through those losses we learned what we now have. So yeah, August was great. And yeah, so I think that was it.
Our success. Let's go.
Yeah, I think that was it. But we answered back in September pretty heavy. We only took one loss there. And October was fire, November was fire, and yeah, here we are in December, seeing if we can get on the board here for the London session.
Yo, back. You already know December's gonna be cooking.
Go.
Run it up.
Breathe air. Why are you streaming London? Because I don't have a boss and I could pretty much just do whatever I want. So I was like, you know what? I like the daily close here. Let's stream London today. Pretty much.
Man's chilling. Range, go away.
August, was that the pack runner development? I think we started working on the pack in like June. Started noticing it more and more often. And that's something I noticed like a year ago too, but never really gave it like the fine, like a good study like we've done now. So, oh yeah, look at this 4 hour, man. 4 hour pack running right back down here now. Very interesting. 1 hour really rejecting there. Yeah, it looks good.
I want to see how that 4 hour candle closes.
Isn't it crazy how we learn most from? Yeah, it is, from our mistakes. You know, that's winners make mistakes, right? When you make mistakes, that just shows that you're working on stuff, you're learning stuff. If you ain't making no mistakes, that tells me you're most likely just showing up and, you know, doing the same thing every day. There's no challenge, there's no nothing, right? It's just pay me. I'll show up and you pay me. That don't work like that over here, you know. Trading's a lot different than a job or anything like that.
For real though, what separates the successful traders from the unsuccessful traders is how they handle their failures, right? When failure comes, when failure arises, right? The successful trader is going to look at that failure and see how could he use this failure to get him to succeed, right? And then the failure trader is going to look at it and quit. He's going to get discouraged from his failures and he's going to quit trading from it, right? But the successful trader sees the success in that failure, and that's what we got to do.
Yep. It's a business. You know, you get paid. You don't get paid off hours here. You get paid off of decisions, right? If you can make the right decisions, you can get paid a lot of money. So you get paid in the markets based off decision making, not so much, well, not at all hourly, right? And trading is a business. Right? Trading is legitimately a business. It's not a hobby. It's not a gamble. It's not a, you know, get rich quick thing. This is a legitimate business. And in business, gang, business comes with uncertainty. Business comes with stress at times. Business comes with slow months, right? But business also comes with great upsides as well. So you have to understand that no different here, right? There's no different approach when it comes to trading. If you treat trading like a business, you'll begin to get serious and operate like a business owner instead of like a gambler, if that makes sense.
Makes a lot of sense.
Yep.
We're professional risk takers. Oh damn, excuse me. Professional risk takers.
A winner is a loser who tried one more time. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Yep.
Facts.
I usually have a mini heart attack.
Y'all C4, it's coming.
Yeah, I was featured on another podcast too, chat. That should be dropping here pretty soon. Pretty popular podcast too. I'm actually pretty honored to be on it because as a inspiring trader in 2019, I would listen to this dude's podcast all the time and just learn so much from it. So, you know, to have linked up with this dude, like shoot the breeze, we had a cigar together, we did a podcast, like it's pretty sick. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on when that drops, but that should be dropping here pretty soon.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah, dreams to reality.
Yeah.
So true.
The Joe Rogan experience.
We're on the Joe Rogan show.
Yeah.
Motion, baby. Yup. Gotta stay in motion.
Got motion.
Trading can be gambling if you don't know what you're doing. There's a sweet science behind this craft. There really is. There's a fine line between trading and gambling, and it's right here. And if you got a playbook, right? Playbook, you kind of edge yourself on the side of professionalism, right? Because this is an edge based off of previous recorded data in the markets, and you operate off of this and this only. But the minute you break the playbook, right, or break the system, you're now stepping in the realm of gambling, right? Gambling. So there's a very fine line here. You don't want to cross it, right? The minute you break your plan, the minute we go ahead and take a sell here with no top wick, what I have done is I have moved from being a professional with a playbook to gambling, and we don't do that. We don't do that. So if you're gambling, you need a playbook.
Take notes.
Okay? If you get a playbook, you find yourself as a professional. Now you just got to give it time. Right? And if you have a playbook and you break it, you're gambling. So you need to come back over here. Okay? Remain professional. Where we're really gonna see the difference is 2-3 years down the road. Who was able to remain a pro? And who let gambling take over? That's what I want to see in 2 years from now. Who remained a pro? Because these are the guys that we're going to be doing the beach trips with, the lake house trips with, the trips to Aspen, Colorado with, right? We're going to do that with the pros. The gamblers, they're going to be back working a 9-to-5 job, and we're never going to know their name, unfortunately. So can you be a pro long term? Not for Monday. Not just Monday and Tuesday, right? Long term from here on out.
Yep. That's fire. Hopefully y'all are taking some notes on that.
Because yeah, you are your own boss, so you have to hold yourself accountable, right? This isn't a gig where someone's going to tell you what you got to do. You got to do the things that are necessary. Otherwise, you ain't going to find success. Go back and listen to my my last reel about one of the aha moments in my trading, right? It was, I knew I had to get it together. If I was going to see any success or succeed to any level, I needed to get on that professional side of the line there. So, and that, I'll be honest, that made all the difference. Within a month, I seen drastic results, right? Within a month from going from a gambler to a professional, I seen incredible results. Not just in the money, but in the mind, right? In the brain. Oh, is this a brain? Yeah, it's my brain. Yeah, it's my brain. Got a big brain. So yeah, so you'll begin to see results in both these areas, right? Once you scoot over to the professional side of things.
Yeah, it's great stuff.
All right. So this 30 close, man. Come on, gold.
Shocked. Range.
Yeah, so we can't really sell in here, unfortunately. Let's see what the 4 hour's doing. Yeah. Yeah, 1 hour closed above here. Yeah, we may be in for a 1 hour wick fill here. 40 pips. Yeah, strong bearish closures though. Potentially, so the only way I'm going to take buys here is if we get a 15 support, right? If we can get that support, then I'll look to take my buys coming up. If not, then we may range a bit, right, within here and back and forth. And then I'll just wait for either sells below there or potential buys if we can create support here. So, sheesh, nothing yet for us in the London. Will our patience pay?
Morning routine calling.
Word, Landon. Yeah, that's true. The trips to Bali, yeah, that's true. The analogy Nick used to use about his playbook and trading algorithms. Oh, yeah, that's true. I'll be the pro. Hey, you got to believe in yourself, right? Before anyone else ever will. So it all starts with speaking it, claiming it, and then going out and doing the work and getting it done, staying consistent. First pair I made money on, AUD USD. Too much talking? Yeah, but you keep showing up. You keep showing up, though. May as well stream right through New York. Yo.
Imagine.
Yo, got you. Gotcha. Oh, nice. 1 hour breaking lows here. Let's see. Are we just going to give this candle a bottom wick to move up? Or are we going to close below? Because if you can get a 1 hour close below here in, well, this 1 hour just started. So if we get a 30 close below, then we're good to go here. We're just waiting on this closure. Yeah, we're just waiting to get back into the zone. Choppy. My boss decreased my salary in April, so I left. Let's go.
Good man.
What up, Steven Tran? Who designed the TTE logo? Oh, my boy Tandy. So, how many of you guys remember Tandy? Tandy designed that for me like 3 years ago. Yeah, we had the vision, man.
Andy.
Yeah, my goal, yeah, Landon, that's true. My goal is still in 2024 to be funded with $1 million. So yeah, we're gonna work on 600K here and then 400K probably with like FTMO.
Later.
Oh, we're bleeding now. Yep. Are we ready to go?
Our pack.
Yeah, this was the 15 I wanted to enter off of, right? This the next candle, but we just didn't get a top wick there. But yeah, that was the resistance we were looking for there. Do I have to pay taxes? Yeah. Oh yeah. All right. Well, we got 9 minutes for a 15 close. We got 24 minutes for a 30 close. If we close back in the range on the 30, we're probably going to call it a stream, but if we do get a closure outside here, then we may be looking at a nice position. 1 hour creating that nice resistance here as well after that really nice rejection. So yeah, give me 1 sec.
How many trades you take in a month? I say we average between like 8 and 15. Market conditions change every month, so or every quarter, so depends on the month. Where are the mods? They're here. They're here. Donnie boy, how are you? Man, I'm incredibly amazing. Ready to hit some goals. I'm ready for it. John, how do you deal with losses after losses mentally? Well, I understand that trading is all about probabilities, right? And if I have an 80% winning system, I know that there's a 20. I know it's not a 100% winning system, right? I know that there's a 20%. I could lose, right? So I understand losses are a part of the game. Losses are inevitable. And trading is all about probabilities, and I know that I don't have a 100% winning system. You know, the 20%, I'm expecting losses 20% of the time, right? So it's totally okay. I look at losses as like I'm paying rent to the markets, right? And I understand also that each trade, each result of every trade is random, and that all I know is that the probabilities are my favor, right? So if you can understand this, you'll be able to deal with losses much better, right? Because remember, it's what makes traders frustrated after losses. It's expectations, right? Expectations create frustrations. When you expect that you're gonna win every trade or that you have 100% winning system, when you expect that and then that doesn't happen, you take a loss. Now you're gonna be frustrated. So expect that this trade, every trade that you put on, has a random outcome, and that trading is all about probabilities. Right? Just try to understand that and have that state of mind, and that will help you deal with losses way more better.
Yep.
For-hour packy, yeah, 4-hour pack.
Yes, sir.
That's what I'm saying.
Now let's see if we get a closure below. That means we should be ready to go.
Thanks, John. Yes, sir.
How much was your first payout? What'd you do with it? My first funded payout was like 5,000. Yeah, like 50 something, 5,000 something, and I didn't do anything like special with it. Just put it away. Put it in the bank. Put some money away. GJ was the trade of the day. Oh damn. Oh, wow.
I don't know. We were bearish.
Yeah, we were pretty bearish here, and we never got the close above, so I don't know if I would have taken that.
That was nice. Like,
I don't think I would have taken
buy off
this.
support. Nice buy off support, but on a bearish day. I don't know.
Yeah, we were pretty bearish there. Broke the lows there too. Wow. Broke the lows and just pulled back here. Damn. Yeah, 4-hour had no top wick either. Yeah, you may start to get new sells now. Pretty soon here. Oh yeah, my alarm would have just went off.
Yeah, that morning routine's about to start here. Elevate your morning, elevate your life, y'all. Hey, you win the morning, you win the day. Straight up.
Yep. At least if you win the morning, you can kind of handle the day well, right? It doesn't mean like things won't come up and throw you for a loop, but if you've handled things in the morning and got your mindset right, typically the rest of the day, even if you do deal with those difficulties throughout the day, you should be able to handle them pretty well. The 5 a.m. club, baby. Will we get the closure? Yeah, 5 a.m. club is probably top 5. Top 5 for me. Good book.
It's gotta be. It's gotta be. A lot of gems in that book. I was mind blown.
Yeah. And you read these books and you read them again, right? Like every year I read Think and Grow Rich. Every year I grow or I learn something because I'm also growing, right? So I'm reading it and things are looking different. It's the same book, but because of my experience, let's say over the last year, you know, it's almost like I'm reading a different book. Always something to learn.
Hell yeah, I love reading books for the second time. Like, it's the best.
Yeah. If you're trading using risk percentage, why worry about stop sizes? It reduces the lot size because a lot of times like if this is like a 42 pip stop and then like there's a potential maybe taking partials at 17 pips, then it just doesn't really make that much sense, you know. So yeah. Damn, son. Bleeding. Holy.
Later.
Yeah, we've been trying to attempt these sells here since 37. Yeah, since like 37 here. No top wicks on both these candles. There was a 5-minute seller play. Yeah, there was probably there might have been like 100 celery plays there. Yeah, a lot of celery plays here. But you guys don't know I don't operate off the 5. So the 5 will give you more opportunities, but the confirmations aren't the best.
Aren't as strong.
Yeah. But yeah, right here. Close below the range there.
Yo, Nick, what book are you studying right now?
I am I just ordered this book, but I started to listen to it on Audible yesterday. The Best Losers Win, I think, by Tom something. So it's a trading book.
About to be fire.
Yeah.
I want to invest in that one, the playbook too. I want to read that one too. That one, see what kind of gems are in that one.
King Alpha, come on. King
Alpha.
Alpha.
About the Bible.
Oh, the Bible. Yeah, I'm in the book of Acts.
Okay, nice. You about to dig into that after the stream?
Nah. Oh yeah. I thought you meant the trading book.
Nah, bro.
Damn. This candle's gonna close here with no bottom wick. Yo.
This is about to be it for me. 4:15.
Yeah.
Damn, bro. Little tiny wick at the bottom of there. Little baby
Oh
wick.
man, nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah, I think I'll probably keep an eye on this for the 1 hour close here. If you can close below support, that's probably gonna be the best entry here now. 1 hour also has no top wick, so a nice little 1 hour. If we can pull back a little bit, close below, give like a little pack run or something, that'd be dope. But damn, yeah, we tried here in the London today, but no concrete opportunities here. Yeah, nothing.
Yeah.
Looking for sells. We were in this range for a bit. These buys were no bueno. Price came down. We were looking to take sells off this 15, but kind of closed. No bottom wick. Next one, no top wick. Same thing with this candle here. So, yeah, we tried. Price is moving how we want it to. It's just not giving us, you know, our setups here. So, what are you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Though we stay disciplined. We stay patient to our plan, our system. We understand there's another session coming up. More opportunities will be presented. So, save our bullets and move on.
Yep. Yeah, the 1 hour may give us a nice position here. So what time is it? Yeah, it's 4:16. So I don't think I'm gonna hang around here for the 1 hour close, but we'll come back and continue this conversation here in the New York session. So we'll see you guys like in what, 2 hours, maybe 2 hours or so.
Yep.
Yeah.
2.5 hours.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll be back for the New York session. I'm not gonna take a position now until most likely the 1 hour candle closes, because that's going to be, if we can close below, we'll have a trade here. But if not, then we're going to just continue to be back in this range for pre-NY and NY open. So yeah, I think that is going to do it for the London session here today.
Breathe air.
Breathe air.
Yeah, facts.
But yeah, I think it's off to the morning routine, right?
Yeah.
That's what you got going on. Yeah, I think I'm going to do my routine here as well and check back in 40 minutes or so. And yeah, for the rest of you guys, I'll see you guys back in New York. Yeah, we'll see you in the New York sesh.
I'll be peeping my charts still.
All right, cool. Pull up,
bet, bro.
Pull up, son. No, I'm just kidding.
I bet I'll see you in a little bit.
Yeah, cool. All right, later, chat. Hey, you guys have a great next 2 hours. Johnny boy, I'll see you in a bit.
Peace, Nick.
Peace. Later, dude. Chat, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Enjoy it. Don't take any crappy trades here. There's nothing too much available for us right now. So W patience, W discipline here. We tried, we attempted to see what we could do in the London session, but we'll come back for New York and continue this conversation. All right? Cool. All right, chat. W's on the way out. See you guys in a little bit. Hope you guys have a good 2 hours, and we'll be back in New York. Peace.